rising strong like a morning sun. We do care about everyone. In our hearts our passion grows. Together we rise and foes we oppose. Learning wings to touch the sky. St.Charles women shine so high. Voices loud and spirits free. We're the change we want to see. Reach out, hold tight. Together we'll make things right. Take a stand, be aware, because we do care. We do care. Dreaming big, we aim so high. With hope and courage we comply. Breaking chains and spreading cheer for a brighter future.